Welcome to Tally Help videos. In this video, you will understand how to configure ledgers for GST in TallyPrime. TallyPrime Release 3.0 brings an enhanced simplicity so as to make your experience in configuring ledgers for GST all the simpler. Right from the process of including an income or expense in assessable value to selecting the method of appropriation for allocation of additional cost, it will be easier for you to configure ledgers for GST. What's more, if you are a composition dealer, then the experience of making a ledger behave as duties and taxes will be just like a regular dealer. First, let us view the option Include in Assessable Value. Press Alt+G. Create Master Ledger and press Enter. Say you are creating a ledger for some service charges that you want to include in the assessable value while recording transactions. Enter the ledger name and under Group, let's select Direct Expenses. The Include in Assessable Value option can be seen here on the ledger creation screen. You can set it as GST. Enter other details and press Ctrl+A. And the services charges will be included in the assessable value during tax calculation by TallyPrime. Now, let us see how to appropriate tax values for additional costs in purchase invoice. Consider that you want to create a ledger for duties and taxes under direct expense in order to keep a track of transactions on which you cannot claim input tax credit. In such cases, you can configure the ledger so as to appropriate tax values in purchase invoice. Press Alt+G. Create Master Ledger and press Enter. Enter the name of the ledger. Press F12 and enable Set Ledgers to behave as duties and taxes. Press Ctrl+A to save the configuration. Now, in ledger creation screen, set Behave as Duties and Taxes ledger as Yes. Select type of duty or tax, say GST. Select the tax type, say IGST. Press F12 and set Show More Configurations and Show All Configurations to Yes. Enable Select Appropriation Methods to allocate additional costs. Press Ctrl+A to save the configuration. Now, under Method of Appropriation to allocate additional costs in purchase invoice, set Appropriate by Tax. Enter other details and press Ctrl+A to save the ledger. Henceforth, whenever you use the ledger while recording a transaction, the tax paid expense is appropriated based on items tax percentage and allocated or added to cost of product. Now, consider that you are a composition dealer and you want a ledger to behave as taxes and duties. You can follow the same process explained for regular dealer. As you saw, TallyPrime Release 3.0 simplifies the experience of configuring a ledger for GST. Thank you. To know more about TallyPrime features, visit help.tallysolutions.com. Subscribe to the Tally Solutions channel for the latest videos.